Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to convert your image into video by using OpenAI Sora. So let's get started. So first thing, just come to the all videos section under library, and here at the bottom you'll be having this plus icon. Just click that and you're going to click upload image or video. Select this and I'll just go with my image that I have over here and open it. And here we need to describe what effect or what changes that we need to have from the video that is being generated by this image. So I'll just adjust the view. I will just go with 9:16, so you'll be having the preview of it. Basically I'm just going to add some motion and make it move. That's it. And you can change the aspect ratio. If you want to add some presets, you can add it, and you can change the resolution. I will go with 720p. 5 seconds is fine for me, and I'm going to generate 2 videos. So you can just play around with these settings and just click on run. This was the video that got generated for me. That looks not bad, to be honest. I can just cut the portions over here, but this part looks quite good. I mean, I won't complain about it. So that's basically how you convert your image to video by using OpenAI Sora. So do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.